In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange vertical windows in Excel. If you often compare numbers across multiple files, move data from one workbook to another, or keep an eye on two sheets at the same time, arranging windows vertically is a fast way to see more side by side. This feature doesn't change your data. It simply organizes your open Excel windows so you can work more efficiently. Start by going to the View tab on the Excel ribbon. The View tab is where Excel groups tools for how your workbook looks on screen, including zoom, panes, and window management. Having this tab open puts all the layout controls at your fingertips. Next, select Arrange All. This command tells Excel to look at every Excel window you currently have open and lay them out in a clean, organized pattern. It's different from your operating system's window snapping. Arrange All is designed specifically for Excel and keeps the focus on your workbooks. In the Arrange Windows dialog that appears, choose Vertical. Vertical arranges your windows side by side, splitting the width of your screen evenly across each open Excel window. This is ideal for wide monitors or any situation where you want to compare columns, track totals, or copy values horizontally from one workbook to another. You may notice other options in this dialog, like tiled, horizontal, or cascade. Those are useful in other scenarios, but for parallel column comparison, vertical is the clearest choice. There's also an option related to arranging only windows from the active workbook. Be aware of it if you're working with multiple workbooks and want to control what gets arranged. Finally, click OK. Excel will immediately place your open windows side by side. You can now click within each window to work independently, scroll each one to the area you need, and see changes update in real time. If you're comparing values, try aligning the same columns across windows to make differences pop. If you need more room, remember that you can adjust the zoom level in each window independently so key columns are fully visible without constant scrolling. When you're done comparing, simply maximize the window you want to focus on or close any windows you no longer need. You can return to Arrange All anytime to reapply a layout as your set of open workbooks changes. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've arranged your Excel windows vertically and made side-by-side work faster, clearer, and a lot less error-prone.